Tired of feeling like a hamster on the profit wheel? Well, hold on to your hustle hats because we are going to crack the code at building a profitable business. This is Ashley with Profit Potential Consulting, and today we are covering the 5 steps that you need to make sure your business is profitable. Step number 1, solve a real problem. Profitable businesses provide value to their clients. This means identifying a problem that people have and offering a solution that people are willing to pay for. Do your market research, talk to potential customers, and see what they are struggling with and what solutions they're currently looking at. This will help you refine your product or service to make sure it meets the needs of your potential clients. So step number 1, solve a real problem. Step number 2 is understand your numbers. You need to know where your money is going and where it's coming from. That means you need to be creating a budget or a forecast, listing out everything that you're going to be spending and your projected sales based on your research. So pull those numbers together, figure out how you can run as lean as possible while still providing excellent customer service. So step number 1, solve a real problem. Step number 2, understand your numbers. And step number 3 is become a customer champion. What that means is become obsessively focused on providing excellent customer service. Happy customers are repeat customers, and they also make up your raving fans. So go the extra mile on a service or product for them. Respond quickly and efficiently to any inquiries or questions, and actively seek their feedback. This will set you apart from any others in your industry. Step number 1, again, is solving a real problem. Step number 2 is understanding your numbers. Step number 3 was become a customer champion. And on to step number 4, which is make strategic partnerships. Building relationships with businesses in your industry or industry adjacent. You can partner on projects. You can cross-promote each other's products and services and gain access to new customer pools. So, for instance, if you're in real estate, you're a realtor, you will want to make those partnerships with bankers and mortgage officers and insurance agents and title companies and anything that's really related to a real estate transaction. Make partnerships, build relationships, and take care of the clients that you do get from them, and it will turn into repeat business. Step number 1 was solving a real problem. Step number 2, understanding your numbers. Step number 3, become a customer champion. Step number 4, making strategic partnerships. And finally, step number 5, which is embrace continuous improvement. The business world is continually changing, so be prepared to adapt. Stay up to date on industry trends, figure out what is working and what's not working in your business, and be willing to make those changes right away. So again, those 5 steps are 1, solve a real problem. 2, understand your numbers. 3, become a customer champion. 4, make strategic partnerships. And 5, embrace continuous improvement. Remember that building a profitable business takes time and effort. There's no easy button. If it were easy, everyone would do it. Don't be discouraged if you don't see results right away or overnight. They take time. but I promise if you are persistent and you keep learning, you will become profitable. Let me know in the comments if there's any other questions you guys have. I'm happy to help. My name is Ashley again with Profit Potential Consulting. Have a great day.